Hi guys, this is 2012 Toyota Hilux. So this unhandled problem is it's a noise beeping when you put in the key. So this connector is plugged on. This is the key detector, the key in or not, but still not working. Okay, disconnect connector, still not working. So I found the problem is there was a door switch connector is unplugged. That's why it's not beeping in here key. Okay, here's the driver side door switch. So I can go into off this one. You can see there was an unplugged connector. Connector is there. Okay, this is not getting earth. When you put this nut, then the system. You can hear the noise. Okay, it's now working, the beeping sound. If you don't want the beeping sound, you can disconnect this plug. It's gone. You can leave it like here. If you want the beeping sound, you can put back the connector. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.